good, people? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video, I'll be installing this lovely burgundy wig, right? So if you'd like to see the rest of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section and also watch the ads. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working.
Alrighty, people, jumping straight into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is ensure that your hair is properly brushed out and moisturized. Then we're gonna go ahead and part the hair into a middle part, and then we're gonna corner the hair backwards to get it flat as possible. So now we're gonna get the rest of the hair out of the way. So we're gonna use a clip, one of the hair clips, to clip it away, and we're gonna start to corner the hair backwards. So now we're gonna grab our edge control gel, eco styler gel, whatever you have, and we're gonna use it in the front of the hair to lay some baby hair. So we're gonna grab our eco styler glue, and we're gonna use it to help to keep the baby hair in place so that they don't get messed up. Okay, so now we're gonna cut out the cap that is beneath the lace where it should be looking a little bit scalpy. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that out now. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our concealer to make the lace part of the wig look a little bit more scalpy. So what you want to do is add a little tip to the lace, and then you're gonna grab your brush or a sponge to blend it out, just like you're seeing I'm doing here. Then we're gonna use our got to be glue freezing spray to spray the lace. This allows it to remain on the lace unless you wash it off. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put the wig on. So while putting on the wig, what you want to do is go ahead and play around with it to get it to lay in the right position, to clean up the partings, just to let it sit on your head properly. So now that the wig is on, now what you want to do is to go ahead to clean up the partings, to get it looking a little more natural, and to just to get it looking natural and looking more realistic.